Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. I will continue the topic for grade 8 science. The topic is food and digestion and learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish Education. So here's the summary of the last lesson. Carbohydrates provide our body with energy. Excess carbohydrates are converted by the body to fats and stored. Carbohydrates are divided into simple sugar like glucose and complex sugars like lactose, cellulose, and starch. Starch is found in food such as potatoes, bread, cereals, beans, grains, noodles, and yam. Sugars are present in huge amount in chocolates, cakes, beverages, Southeast Asian sweets like mithai, etc. Fats provide our body with energy which is more than twice produced by the carbohydrates. Fats serve as a reserve supply of energy when food consumption is low, and it helps to keep us warm. Both carbohydrates and fats are made up of the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sources for fats include cheese, red meat, milk, palm oil, fatty fish, etc. Proteins also provide our body with energy, but the important function is to build tissues, body cells, enzymes, and hormones. Proteins are important for growth and repair of damaged parts of the body. Proteins are made up of the elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Sources for proteins include cheese, red meat, milk, eggs, fish, chicken, beans, nuts, etc. The learning outcome would be for this video to identify food which is rich in particular nutrients. In this video, I will talk about vitamins. These are the sources of different vitamins. You see here that vitamins can be obtained from both fruits and vegetables as well as from nuts and pulses. Vitamins are required in small amount for health and growth. Vitamins are required in small amount for health and growth. However, excess vitamins are responsible for causing toxicity in our body. In next slide, I will talk about functions, deficiency, problems, and sources for different vitamins. Let's start with vitamin A. Plays a role in many bodily processes. Like immune system, immune function, reproduction, healthy vision, proper functioning of the heart, lungs, kidneys, skin health, growth and development. Deficiency problems include skin become dry and scaly. Second one, night blindness. Sources include pumpkins, eggs, dairy products, carrots, spinach, broccoli, fruits like mango, dried apricot, tomato juice, beef liver, fish like herring, etc. Vitamin B1 is responsible for releasing energy from carbohydrates. Responsible for releasing energy from carbohydrates. Helps in digestion, improves brain function, prevents cataract. Cataract is an eye disease, and promote heart health. Deficiency problems include beriberi, affect the cardiovascular, nervous, and immune system. Food sources include beef, fish, organ meats, avocados, peas, nuts, grains, milk, cheese, yogurt, cereals, mushrooms, etc. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.